Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can know if someone restrict you on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram application. So let's suppose you open and click on this icon in the top right. And let's suppose I want to restrict a person. So let's suppose this one. So you simply need to click on that person and click on three dots, and let's suppose I want to restrict this, so you simply need to click on that. So once you click on that, here you can see that only you and Chris can see their new comments. So once ever Chris comment on my post, only I am able to see and the other person that Chris is able to see. But let's suppose you go on to another Instagram profile and you can see that if you are unable to see the Chris comment, so it means that I personally do the restriction on Chris, that restrict that Chris to see the comments. So here you can see that it is clearly mentioned, and you can see that their chat is now in your message request. But that is not public thing that you can see. But you let's suppose Chris, I restrict Chris, and now someone create another profile and go on to the Chris profile and see that whether he's able to see my comment on Chris profile or not. But if he is unable to see my comment, so it means that I simply restrict that person, and you are unable to see the Chris comment on my profile. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.